Hello everyone, in this video I will be covering CodeBrew's solution for telehealth services. Specifically, the component that I will be covering is the customer app or the patient app for the telehealth services platform. You can get started by signing up. The details that you have to enter for sign up are first name, last name, phone number, email, password, and if any referral codes you have. You can also have the option of social media login such as Facebook or Google login, which we can integrate according to your preferences. To log into the application, you can also have OTP or email verified phone numbers or usernames. Right now, I am going to use a phone number for logging into the application. Once I have logged into the application, it will automatically detect my current location. Once the location is detected, it will show me banner advertisements and different services that are available. I will take you through different services one by one. To book an appointment or an online consultation, I can click on the service and see according to different filters which is the specific specialty, treatment, symptom or surgery and transplant for which I require a consultation or a booking. Selecting any of the specialties will lead you to application asking whether you want to consult online or you want to book an appointment. So I'm booking an appointment right now. You can see the profiles of different doctors and the different hospitals who have listed their services for this particular specialty that you have selected. You can see the details of each hospital or each doctor who has listed themselves. So you can see the details of Dr. Sheetal Rani, who is a dermatologist. You can see the number of ratings and reviews, the directions or the location of the doctor. You can also see their experience, consultation fee, languages in which they can talk, the timings for appointment booking. You can also see the treatments for which you want an appointment. You can select whether this is an appointment for yourself or you can add the details of a loved one for whom you want to book the appointment. You can enter your query details and make the booking. Your inquiry has been submitted. Now you can also book an appointment. To book an appointment, you can select the date on which you want to make the appointment and see the different slots which are available. And if it doesn't suit you, you can choose another slot on another day and decide for whom do you want the appointment and when the appointment would be and any other details that are required for the appointment. For example, any allergies that you have, any current medication that you are being prescribed or going on, and the problem. And all of these fields are optional, so you don't necessarily need to write a description if you cannot describe or you are not aware about the challenge or issue you are facing. Finally, you can book an appointment and that will be confirmed. Next, the application will show you the details of the booking. This will include the details of the doctor and the location of the doctor's clinic and the details of the patient, that is whom you have booked the appointment for. You can also go back to home from this page. The next thing that I will show you is the consultation feature. So I can consult any doctor online or for this particular department there is no doctor here listed on the platform. So I will go to another specialty. I can see the different doctors who have been listed for this specialty and I can consult online. I can see the different ratings and reviews for this doctor. I can see the different consultation modes that are text, audio and video, and there are different plans starting from different charges. So if I want a video consultation, I can enter that I want this specific type of consultation and I can purchase the consultation sessions. So if it is a single consultation and I select it, it will tell me what is the total amount to be paid, what is the money available in my wallet. So this is an in-app wallet that you can use, or you can make the payment using a third-party payment gateway that allows you to make the payments using net banking or credit and debit card. And finally, you can proceed to make the payment. And it will show you that you have purchased the package successfully. And if you want to book a consultation right now, you can do that. You will also get a notification that $2 has been debited for the upcoming consultation with Dr. Gagan. And then you can also book a consultation. Right now we've only purchased the package. It will give you that your video consultation has been booked with Dr. Gagan. This was for the time slot that you had selected before. And this is the amount of time that is left for the consultation. We have already covered appointment bookings and online consultations. The next feature we will be covering is the free services. There are 3 services provided free on the platform. These are asking a free question, BMI calculator, and getting a second opinion. You can choose which mode you want, private or public, under which your question will be asked. You can enter whether it is for yourself or for a loved one. If they aren't in your list already, you can enter their details. You can choose the specialty in which you want to have this, and you can type your problems. So let's say vitamin deficiency, and you can explain what is the specific challenge you are facing and what would you like to be answered, whether you are looking for supplements or whether you are looking for a diet chart, and what would be the ideal way of going forward. And you can finally post it. Then you can also calculate BMI and see according to gender what is the ideal or current BMI level. So let's say I enter the weight and the height. It shows me that this is a normal BMI range for a female with weight of 70 kgs and height of 172 centimeters. You can also get a free second opinion. This would be either using your medical records, or you can upload a new medical record onto the platform from your gallery or from the document list that you have. And after uploading the record, you can also enter the record title and get a second opinion. This will be sent out to the different doctors for that specialty, and you will be able to get an opinion. So for example, whether you should go for surgery. Finally, there are similar treatments also classified according to specifically for women issues. So as a woman, I could find all the doctors who can consult for me for the specific gender specific issues as well. I can also see the different blogs and articles. These will include links to external websites which can be accessed by the different customers also, and you can click on any of these. You can also see all the other podcasts or different content which is entered by any of the platforms, and read their articles here. You will also be able to see your upcoming appointments. For example, you have an upcoming appointment with Dr. Sheetal Rani on Thursday, 14th May, then another one on 13th May. Finally, you can see all of these here. You can also see the consultations that you have upcoming and the recently viewed profiles, the top specialties on the platform. You can also open any specialty forum and have a chat with online users. This would include the doctors and other users like yourself. You can enter your messages and get answers here. You can also see different consultation packages for audio, text or video chats, and of who is providing these specific consultations or packages on the platform. Finally, you can see the top hospitals on the platform and select any of them to see their profile and the doctors who are working for them, the treatments that the hospital and the doctors are providing, and you can also write a review for them. You can keep them bookmarked for quick access. We have already covered second opinion here. You can also see a feed of all the articles that have been posted by the bookmarked doctors or the services you have selected. You will also be able to see the different health guides posted by different doctors and also the ones that you have bookmarked. You can see the notifications on the notice board. You will also be able to see the profile and manage it. In your profile details, you can see the amount that is available in your wallet. You can see all the transactions, when the transaction was made, who the payment was made to, and what was the amount of transaction, what is the total amount that was received and from where it was received, and the expenditures. You can add more money by entering the amount, and you can proceed to the payment using payment gateways that you integrate on the platform. Then you will also be able to share the application with your friends on other social media platforms. You can change your profile details. You can enter feedback, and you can decide what are you giving feedback for, whether it is about use of application or managing consultations, prescriptions, second opinions, seeing the feed, or managing notifications. And you can submit the feedback. This will help the admin to improve the customer experience of the platform. You can report any issues, you can add a list of loved ones, and you can also delete any older details. You can see your consultations and appointments, what are the instant or the emergency sessions you have scheduled, and for example, this was a video session. You can also see the regular sessions, upcoming and past consultations that have been booked on the platform. You can also see the medical records you have entered or uploaded on the platform, the different records that are existing, the prescriptions you have been given earlier, the medical reports, and you will also be able to see the second opinion which has been provided to you, whether you should go for surgery. So what is the doctor's opinion on this? You will be able to see doctor tips and answers for any questions you have posted. You will be able to see your bookmarks for doctors, hospitals, any questions and answers you have bookmarked, or health guides you have bookmarked, your inquiries which you have posted for treatments or for hospitals. And you will also be able to see the tip plans which have been provided by different doctors. Finally, you can configure the settings such as notification settings. You can enter referral codes. You can see information pages such as plans, how it works, about us, help, and rate the application on the Play Store.